Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we are introducing the Numturn 500-1500 CNC flatbed lathe. Flatbed CNC lathes are characterized by long travels, large workpiece dimensions and easy handling. This makes them particularly suitable for flexible one-off production and economical small series production of larger workpieces. The heavily ribbed machine frame with its wide hardened prismatic bed guides is designed for heavy-duty machining. The construction of the headstock and the main spindle aims for constant precision and a balanced temperature balance. The standard automatic 8-station VDI tool turret makes the machine flexible and productive. The machines of the Numturn series are equipped with a hydraulic chuck as standard, the clamping force of which can also be adjusted. The machine housing is easily accessible through a sliding door that opens wide and enables easy workpiece handling. In combination with a new generation of spindle and axis drives, the Siemens Sinumeric 808D Advance offers easy-to-use CNC solutions with an excellent price-performance ratio. With the uniform Sinumeric operating and programming philosophy, the Sinumeric 800D Advance is the ideal partner for the experienced user, but also excellently suited for entry into the CNC world. The operating elements and ergonomics are intuitive and guarantee quick familiarization. The massive tailstock impresses with its easy handling and high clamping force. The intelligent central lubrication unit supports the low-maintenance operation of the machine. Alternatively, the Numturn series is also available with the Fagor 8055 controller, the operating concept of which supports the user even more with programming directly on the machine. We would be happy to advise you on which control is best for your application. Here at KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer a large number of CNC lathes that are ideally suited for production or one-off production. Let our experts advise you and arrange a viewing today.